Alright, logged in game. Let's go into this. Alright, that's already better. We can see that we can actually use the system. Now let's test it. You need to remove all of your equipment. Oh, that's alright. Alright, yeah, it works. Works just fine. Now let's check the talents. Seems to be just about right. We have no shirt, no tabard, which is fine. Let's check glyphs as well. Polymorph. Alright, so yeah, that system works. Now, obviously, you can adjust it if you like. That will be done through the database. Let's check skills because I see here that it maximizes everything. Check spells if we actually have everything latest rank. Seems like seems like no, we still need to go to the trainer. Alright, so best of luck, guys.